Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. My name's Eben. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. We're going to be starting off with a really cool unboxing video. I won a little gift from another YouTuber. His name is Daniel Halbert, and Daniel Hurlbert. So he does this really cool channel. It's called Normal Guy Supercar, and he does all these different talks about, you know, really cool cars. He's always doing the Cars and Coffee in Austin, and basically he has a 430, which is a great, really well balanced Ferrari, and he loves the Ferraris. I do too. So what we're gonna be doing, just opening this thing up. We'll have a little noise in the background. It'll be okay.
No,
124 scale Ferrari. There it is. So this is one of my favorites, but my all-time favorite is the Ferrari F50, the 1996 Ferrari F50. We got something else. Oh wow! All right. We got cob pots. We got a OTP. Looks like a throttle body, electronic throttle body, and it's frozen. Totally rusted, corroded, frozen. That's pretty much it. If you guys love Ferraris and love all kinds of different driving videos, definitely check out Daniel's channel, Normal Guy Supercar, and you'll see a lot of cool stuff on there. And a little shout out to you, Daniel. I really appreciate you doing this for me. A lot of fun. We'll get together soon when you come to Vegas, and if I get to Austin, we'll get together, and I'll be seeing you in the Ferrari Club once I get my Ferrari F50. So it'll take a little bit of time, but all's in good time, and I'll see you guys in the Ferrari Club when I get my F50. All right, we'll see you guys back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. If you guys are interested in any of these products, definitely consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys back next time. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below what you think of Daniel's channel. Tell me what you think of it. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description. You'll see the video where I won his giveaway, and just let me know what you think of Normal Guy Supercar channel. All right, we'll see you guys. Thanks.